Alright guys, so this is a video quality test on the Celero 5G Plus. As you can see, I'm in a mountain bike park. So as you can see, here it is. See if he pops up. It looks a little blown out at least. Like it's really bright, but in real life it really doesn't look that bright. And sorry if I sound like I'm out of breath, but this is gonna be my fourth time running through these trails, so yeah, I'm a little tired. But mountain bike right here. See the color, pretty cool. And like I said, I'll be taking some pictures and doing some live focus and everything. But let's see how. Yeah, like I said, it looks really shiny. In real life, it doesn't look as bright. Even my hand looks really bright, like the brightness is all the way up. But maybe it'll look different in video. This is just looking through the video camera. But overall, it looks like it focuses really good. It's just right here where the sun hits it, it looks really blown out or just super bright. I don't know why, but let's look at that quality. Boom, there you go. So if you do focus on it, I'm guessing maybe it's having trouble autofocusing, but right now I just clicked on the leaf and you see how HD it looks. Now it doesn't look so blown out. Let's go back to the little gnome guy right here. So let me see if I focus on the gnome guy. Look at that. It fixes it. So I have to tap to focus. Hey, how you doing? Alright guys, so now we're in the woods a little bit deeper now in the trail. Like I said, it's a very beautiful day, very shiny, not that hot. So if you see other mountain bikers, that's what it is. Like I said, it's a mountain bike park and pretty nice. So hopefully the video quality does look pretty good. Let's look at this moss right here. Like I said, I think it looks better when you tap to focus. So there you go. I just tap right there and look at that. The focus came out really good. So the camera seems to be decent, but it's having issues autofocusing. So I think that's the issue.